Top 5 Best Soups. Every diabetics must try. Lower blood sugar. When it's hot outside, it's easy to crave something light, fresh, and nourishing. And guess what? Soup isn't just for cold weather. The right soups can be a powerful way to fight high blood sugar, even better than medicine. Packed with fiber, protein, and antioxidants, these soups help stabilize your blood sugar naturally while keeping you feeling energized and healthy. Today, we are diving into the top 5 soups that are perfect for the season and powerful enough to transform your blood sugar control. 1. Lentil Soup. Lentil soup is more than just a comforting meal. It's a powerhouse when it comes to lowering blood sugar. Packed with fiber, protein, and antioxidants, this simple dish can help stabilize blood sugar levels more effectively than many medications. One of the key benefits of lentil soup is its versatility. You can tailor it to your taste by adding vegetables or spices that not only boost flavor, but also enhance its health benefits. For example, adding spinach or kale to your lentil soup increases the fiber content, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Spinach is especially beneficial because it's rich in magnesium, a mineral linked to improved insulin sensitivity. Plus, spinach is low in calories, making it an ideal addition for anyone managing blood sugar. Spices like turmeric, garlic, and cumin are more than just flavor boosters. They can actually help improve insulin function. Turmeric, for instance, contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that curcumin may help reduce insulin resistance, making it easier for your body to use sugar effectively. Garlic, on the other hand, is famous for its heart-healthy benefits. Since heart disease and diabetes often go hand in hand, this makes garlic a perfect addition to your soup. When preparing lentil soup, consider using a low-sodium vegetable broth or making your own at home. Store-bought broths can be loaded with sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure, a common concern for people with diabetes. By making your own broth, you can control the ingredients and ensure it's as healthy as possible. For a more filling soup, consider adding whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. These grains are rich in fiber and have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause blood sugar spikes. Adding them after the soup is cooked allows them to absorb the flavors of the broth while keeping their texture intact. One of the major advantages of lentil soup is that it promotes satiety. Thanks to the combination of fiber and protein, this soup keeps you full for hours, reducing cravings for sugary snacks and preventing overeating. When you feel satisfied after a meal, you're less likely to reach for processed foods that can cause blood sugar spikes. Another reason lentil soup is a fantastic choice for managing diabetes is that it's easy to make in large batches and store for later. You can cook a big pot of soup, divide it into individual portions, and have healthy meals ready to go. This is especially useful for busy days when you want something quick and nutritious. Plus, the leftovers often taste even better the next day as the flavors have had more time to meld together, making lentil soup perfect for meal prepping. 2. Minestrone Soup. Minestrone soup is a fantastic option when it comes to fighting high blood sugar while also delivering a hearty, satisfying meal. Full of fiber, vegetables, and plant-based protein, it's a nutrient-dense dish that can help keep your blood sugar in check. If you're looking to meet your daily vegetable goals, this soup is a great way to add more non-starchy vegetables into your diet. These vegetables like zucchini, tomatoes, and green beans have a low glycemic index, which means they're less likely to cause blood sugar spikes. The beauty of minestrone soup lies in its versatility. You can make it with a variety of vegetables and proteins, giving you a chance to tailor it to your tastes and nutritional needs. For instance, adding spinach or kale provides a boost of vitamins and minerals which are essential for overall health. These greens are not only rich in nutrients, but also help improve insulin sensitivity, which is key for managing diabetes. Beans, another common ingredient in minestrone, are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, both of which contribute to stable blood sugar levels. But what about the carbs in minestrone? Pasta is often the concern as it can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. However, there's an easy solution. Switch to whole wheat pasta. Whole wheat pasta adds more fiber to your meal, which slows the digestion process and helps prevent blood sugar spikes. If you want to lower the carb content even further, Consider swapping the pasta for a whole grain like farro or quinoa. These grains are rich in fiber and protein, and they're slow digesting, which means they won't cause sudden increases in blood sugar. Minestrone soup is also a fantastic choice for meal prepping. You can cook a big batch at the beginning of the week and store it in the fridge for easy, quick meals throughout the week. The soup stores well and can be reheated without losing its flavor. Plus, the flavors only get better the longer it sits, making it even more delicious the next day. For those who prefer plant-based meals, vegan minestrone is a great option. It's just as filling and nutrient-packed as the traditional version, but it relies solely on plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. Vegan minestrone is a perfect choice for those looking to keep their blood sugar in check while following a plant-based diet. In conclusion, minestrone soup is a delicious, nutrient-packed option for anyone looking to stabilize their blood sugar. With simple ingredients that provide essential nutrients and fiber, this soup is a great addition to any diabetes-friendly meal plan. Whether you make it vegan or add your favorite proteins, minestrone is a comforting, easy-to-make dish that will support your health and satisfy your hunger. 3. Chili soup. Chili isn't just a comforting dish. It's a powerhouse for controlling blood sugar. Whether you're watching a game or just craving a hearty meal, chili can be the perfect solution to manage your blood sugar without sacrificing flavor. Packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, chili is a filling meal that can stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you satisfied for hours. One of the simplest ways to make chili more blood sugar friendly is by loading it up with vegetables. Carrots, zucchini, bell peppers, and leafy greens like spinach are not only low in calories but also high in fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption and prevent blood sugar spikes. Adding extra vegetables is an easy way to boost the nutritional value of your chili while keeping it low in sugar. Fiber-rich vegetables are also key in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is especially important when managing diabetes. The protein you choose for your chili also plays a big role in how it affects your blood sugar. Traditional chili often uses beef, but you can make a much healthier version by opting for leaner proteins like chicken or turkey. Chicken, for example, is lower in saturated fat than beef, which is essential for heart health, an important factor for people with diabetes. Moreover, chicken pairs perfectly with beans, another fantastic source of fiber and plant-based protein. The combination of lean protein and beans in white chicken chili will not only keep you full, but also provide the nutrients your body needs to maintain stable blood sugar levels. For a rich, creamy texture, try our creamy white chili recipe, where mashed beans thicken the chili without adding extra calories or fat. If you're looking for a plant-based option, vegetable chili is a great choice. Packed with fiber, plant protein, and complex carbs, it's an excellent choice for anyone trying to manage blood sugar levels without relying on animal products. By focusing on vegetables and beans, you can create a filling, nutritious meal that's also low in glycemic index, meaning it won't cause a rapid increase in blood sugar. Our vegetarian butternut squash chili with black beans is a perfect example, with the butternut squash adding natural sweetness and the black beans providing fiber and protein. So next time you're craving something warm and satisfying, make a big pot of chili. Whether you go with classic white chicken chili, a plant-based version, or a lean turkey chili, you can rest assured that you're nourishing your body with a blood sugar-friendly meal. Chili is the perfect balance of comfort food and nutrition, and it's a fantastic way to keep your blood sugar under control. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips to manage your health. And if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. 4th, pureed vegetable soup. Ever open your fridge and find a bunch of vegetables just sitting there, about to go bad? Don't throw them out. You're actually holding the secret to a delicious blood sugar-friendly meal, pureed vegetable soup. Not only will you save your groceries, but you'll also be doing your health a huge favor. Pureed vegetable soup is incredibly easy to make and super versatile. You can toss in just about any veggies you have lying around, carrots, cauliflower, tomatoes, broccoli, and end up with a smooth, hearty soup that's packed with nutrients. But here's the real magic. These soups are loaded with fiber and antioxidants, two powerful tools for keeping your blood sugar stable. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping to prevent those frustrating blood sugar spikes. Antioxidants, found in colorful vegetables like carrots and broccoli, fight off inflammation, which is a big deal if you're managing diabetes. Keeping inflammation in check can make a real difference for your overall health, especially when it comes to your immune system. Another reason pureed vegetable soups are such a win: they're naturally lower in carbs than other soups that are packed with pasta, rice, or potatoes. By blending vegetables into a creamy texture, you get a filling, satisfying meal without overloading your system with carbs. It's the perfect comfort food for anyone trying to manage their blood sugar without sacrificing flavor or fullness. And let's not forget the vitamin boost. Vegetables like carrots, squash, and tomatoes are loaded with vitamins A and C, both key players in supporting a strong immune system. When you blend them into a smooth, cozy soup, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to stay healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Making pureed vegetable soup is easier than you might think. All you need is a pot, some basic seasonings, and a blender. An immersion blender is super convenient, but a regular blender works just fine too. Start by roasting or sautéing your vegetables to bring out their flavors, add some broth, and then blend it all together until it's silky smooth. That's it. So next time you're about to toss those sad-looking veggies, think again. You're just a blender and a little creativity away from a meal that'll warm your soul, nourish your body, and help you keep your blood sugar in check. Don't waste those veggies. Turn them into something amazing. 5. Chicken soup. Think chicken soup is just comfort food? Think again. It might just be one of the simplest, most powerful ways to help manage your blood sugar and boost your health. And you probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen. We all know that warm, cozy feeling that comes with a bowl of chicken soup, but what makes it truly special is how nourishing it is, especially for anyone looking to keep their blood sugar in check. One easy upgrade is to start with a bone broth base. According to Gina Jones, MSRDN, bone broth brings a big boost of protein, vitamins, and minerals. That extra protein helps you feel fuller for longer and keeps blood sugar swings under control. Plus, it makes your soup taste even richer and more satisfying. When it comes to building a diabetes-friendly bowl, chicken vegetable soup is where it's at. It's not just about the lean chicken, although that's a huge win for stable energy and strong muscles. It's also about piling in non-starchy veggies like carrots, leafy greens, and celery. These veggies are packed with fiber, which slows down digestion and prevents those nasty sugar spikes. They're full of vitamins like A and C too, helping to keep your immune system strong. A must for anyone living with diabetes. The best part? Chicken soup is ridiculously easy to customize. Want more fiber? Toss in an extra handful of spinach or kale? Watching your carbs? Skip the noodles or barley and double down on the vegetables and chicken? Want a little crunch without the carb overload? Sprinkle a few tortilla crisps on top. It's all about finding what makes your body feel best and still loving every bite. Plus, making chicken soup at home isn't just good for your health. It's good for your soul. That smell of simmering broth fills your home with warmth and comfort. Whether you try our Instant Pot chicken soup with root vegetables and barley, or go for the easy chicken soup with tortilla crisps, you're filling your body with real healing food. Food that keeps your blood sugar stable, your immune system strong, and your energy steady. At the end of the day, chicken soup isn't just something you eat when you're sick. It's a simple, powerful way to support your health every single day. It's a bowl of love, healing, and strength, all rolled into one. So next time you need something comforting, nourishing, and blood sugar friendly, reach for a big, hearty bowl of chicken soup. Your body will thank you. No matter the season, there's nothing like a hearty pot of soup to nourish your body and lift your spirits. Plus, it's packed with immune-boosting nutrients your body needs to stay strong all year long. Just a bowl a day can make a real difference. If you're ready for even more tips and recipes to help you take control of your health, check out my cooking channel. I've got delicious, diabetes-friendly recipes that are perfect for making healthy eating fun and easy. Tap the link now and start cooking with me. And if you want even more easy, delicious ways to manage blood sugar, click here to watch our next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.